Hey guys, so this is my week 8 check-in. I'm excited because I had my first ultrasound and everything looks good. The baby looks to be, so she adjusted my date and put it one date before what I thought. So it is now September 22nd that the baby is due. She said that, so the baby looks or is measuring at 8 weeks, 4 days, but everything looked to be fine and is going well. Nothing new or exciting. I do feel like the morning sickness is really tapering and it's so much less now. I'm still incredibly tired and I'm hungry. All I want to do is eat meat and sleep. That's it. I genuinely don't want to do anything else. That is all. Yeah, the appointment went well. I go tomorrow for a follow-up appointment with my doctor, I guess, to like schedule the next one. I haven't had a blood test or anything yet. So we saw the heartbeat. We didn't hear it. I am starting to show. And it could just be bloat or it could be, I don't know, whatever it is. I am eating more than I typically do. Not enough for 2 people. I'm not eating twice as much, but I am eating more and I'm just trying to do whatever I feel like my body wants. Like I seem to be craving protein, so I'm taking protein. Oh, I wanted to mention this and I don't know if I'm going to be able to find the name of it. I have a, so I take anxiety medication and I had gotten this like Genomind, like this like cheek swab DNA thing done where they determine the best like anti-anxiety, antidepressant medicines for like your body chemistry, like what's going to be most effective for you. So I had done that like a year ago and they had discovered that I have like whatever enzyme breaks down B vitamins, including folic acid, whatever that enzyme is, like my body doesn't make it or doesn't do a good job of it. So if I take folic acid, it won't do anything. I need to take folic acid with the enzyme. Anyways, it's called like L-METHYLFOLATE or something. So I need to take it with the actual enzyme. So anyways, so I've been taking a prenatal that has that in it. But when I met with my doctor last week, she recommended that I take DHA and that I take 5 milligrams or pounds, 5 somethings of folic acid. So I looked and I didn't realize that my prenatal only has like 0.65 milligrams or whatever of folic acid. So much less than I actually need. So anyways, so I went on and I ordered, I've been just going to like the vitaminshop.com. So I ordered a DHA. She told me 200 milligrams or whatever. So I'm fine taking my prenatal. I have noticed, so I work with some awesome women and some of them, my friend Kat was pregnant last year and my friend Erin is pregnant now. She's in her third trimester. She's moving along. But anyways, I have learned about pregnancy brain from them. And I was always, and they're both very intelligent women. And, you know, I just was like, really? Like pregnancy brain? Like sometimes you just like do something so silly. I have done like 5 notably stupid things recently that, I mean, and I'm normally kind of flaky, so it's not like too unheard of, but I was like extra just like stupid. So I get our dog food and cat food and kitty litter delivered. So I just like have it set up on like an auto ship. And I went to change because I forget, one of them, somebody didn't like their food, so I figured I would just switch it for the next one that comes. So somehow, in my pregnancy brain, I managed to get rid of the dog food altogether and just get kitty litter and 2 things of cat food. So I get it delivered, don't notice. Days later, I like open it up to put it into the containers and to feed them because I had officially run out of both cat and dog food. And so I opened them up and they're both cat and I opened both of them. And I was like, oh my God, we literally have no dog food. Somehow, like I would never normally do that. And then, oh my gosh, so Sean came to the first ultrasound. He'll love this. Today, and he had to leave work early to do it and I took a half day. And so I had sent him the address like last night And he's like a very prepared person, so I should have known that he would be there earlier than he needed to be, just to be precautious. Or just to be, oh my God, see what I mean? I'm losing my mind. Anyways, so I am on my way there, and I have an appointment tomorrow as well. I am on my way there, and it suddenly dawns on me that I don't think I gave him the right address, and I don't think I'm driving to the right address. I think that the ultrasound is at a different place than my appointment tomorrow, even though in my mind I thought they were the same place. And so I'm thinking through, and I look on my calendar, and I even wrote down, or typed in, whatever, the separate address. So he's already there, and I have to tell him, I'm so sorry, it's 10 miles away from that at 3 in the afternoon, and we both have to try to get there on time. He was not happy. He's like, I can't believe you did this. Like, how disorganized are you? Like, you had a half day. How did you not get the right location? How did you not realize until you were almost there? Like, yeah. Those are the two big things that I did that were horribly stupid. There's plenty of little things. Those are just the two big ones that stick out. So anyways, I don't know, guys. Really losing my mind. But I'm doing well. I'm fine. I am showing, and I've decided, you know what? So I haven't started taking pictures of my belly or anything. I don't know if I'm going to do that. I had always thought that I would try to come up with some cutesy, sticky, like maybe a teacher with a chalkboard and like mark it down. But I don't know if I want to show everyone my stomach. No offense, I love you guys, but I don't know if I want to do that. And I don't know how I would go about like staging this, you know? I mean, I have this, so I obviously have some staging things, but anyways, I just haven't decided if I'm doing that. But I've been thinking, because I've been eating a little bit more, and just like friends and family have been noticing that I am a little bit different. I'm a little more chill, which is lovely, but I am eating more, and I had read that I shouldn't be showing yet. And you know what I've decided? I don't care about that. That's baloney. Here's the deal. Everybody's body is different. My body knows whatever it's supposed to do for this baby. Oh yeah, there's only one. I had been hoping for twins. I wanted to let you know there's only one in there, just so you know. Anyways, which is fine. So I am putting on a little weight. I have a little bit of a belly. Not an insane amount. I'm not eating for like 2 grown adults or anything, but I am eating more than I typically do. And listen, if this is what my body is craving, I'm doing plenty of walking, I'm eating pretty healthy, not great, but my normal self. I'm taking the prenatal. If my body is getting big to make room and prepare, whatever, then it is what it is. I'm not gonna be like stressing over gaining too much or stretch marks. I've decided no, I don't have time for that. Nobody has time for that. Your body is gonna do what your body is gonna do. As long as you are, you know, trying to listen to yourself and do what you think is right, you're fine. I don't know. I'm not gonna stress and like be super careful about what I'm eating and then not get enough, you know, vitamins and nutrients and whatever. No, forget that. We're not doing that. So whatever my body does during pregnancy. I'm just gonna, you know, do what I feel is right and what I think is the right thing. I've really been craving protein. It hasn't been anything nuts. But I am enjoying food, and if you know me normally, I really don't care about eating. I do it because I'm supposed to. I don't really do it because I love food. Now, though, I really love food, and I'm enjoying it, and it is different, so I do have to adjust a little bit to that. But yeah, those are the things I've decided, in case you were curious. So anyways, that's it. Yeah. So thank you guys so much. I know this is a ton of information, and I just blab on and on, but I hope you don't hate my voice. So definitely leave any comments, any questions, anything, and I hope you guys are enjoying me sharing this journey. I'm really excited. So thank you guys so much for watching.